Hello guys, welcome to my talk about past tenses. When it comes to the past tenses, we will talk about past simple, past continuous and past perfect tense. So let's get started with the past simple tense. Past simple tense is the basic past tense which we use to talk about past actions that happened at a specific time in the past. So I saw her 2 days ago, so this is when I saw her. We visited our parents last week. So what is important here is that we know when the action happened. Dakle, past simple tense se koristi za radnje koje su se u prošlosti dogodile i znamo kada. Zato imamo ove vremenske priloge za vreme koji nam govore kada se radnja dogodila. Also, for actions that repeated in the past, so for some past habits, something that we did in the past repeatedly, like in these two examples, I played tennis every weekend when I was a child. I went to the cinema once a week when I lived in London. So these actions repeated in the past, they don't happen anymore. Dakle, past simple se koristi za radnje koje su u prošlosti ponavljale, dakle za neke navike iz prošlosti, kao što možemo da vidimo u ova dva primjera. Every weekend, once a week, ali u prošlosti. Also, for past actions that happened immediately one after the other, she stood up, went up to the table, took a bottle of water. So, like, they are very short and they happened just one after the other. Dakle, za radnje koje su se u prošlosti dogodile odmah jedne iza druge, kao u ovom primjeru. Also, past simple is always used for questions with when, of course, when these questions are about the past. So, when did you arrive? When did they call me? When did she visit? Because the answer is should be a specific time in the past. This is why we use past simple tense. Dakle, past simple koristimo za pitanja koja počinju upitnom rečnom when, zato što nam je odgovor, dakle, neko određeno vreme u prošlosti i onda zbog toga koristimo past simple za ova pitanja koja počinju sa when i koja su za prošlost, naravno. Adverbs that we use with the past simple tense are, as we could see in the previous examples, ago, last year, last week, last month, yesterday, for example, in, and then 2005, 2010. Ovo su prilozi koje koristimo uz past simple i kada njih vidimo u rečenici, to znači da je uglavnom past simple potreban. Now, how do we form past simple tense? When it comes to the form, there are two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. With regular verbs, what we need to do is to add this suffix, ed, to the base